Okay, as I said in the last video, I'm going to be replacing these fluorescent light fixtures. I bought the LED bulbs, as I said, put those in, and I don't know if it was from the bulb itself or what, but anyway, the ballast in these things, fluorescent lights have a ballast, and that changes the voltage for these things, and they have just burned out. Cost too much to replace the ballast, so I have gotten these light fixtures. These are LEDs, and I can buy these, the entire fixture with the bulbs and everything, for less than I paid for the 2 bulbs that goes in the fluorescent fixtures. So we're going to be replacing with these. I've got several others. I bought a total of 5 of them, and they were pretty reasonably priced. There's one under the or over the sink, I guess you would say, in here. There's another one back here in the hallway. I'm going to be replacing it. You know, some of these, most of these are working, but I'm just going to go ahead and replace them. And I've got the extra light fixtures, so who knows, I may, this was an old light fixture that was in it originally. It was not working well at all when I got the motor home. I've worked on that, got it working, but I may go ahead and just switch it out with one of the new ones. And I need to do something with these light fixtures on the wall back here on either side of the bed. Those are old technology. They're the incandescent bulbs. Take a lot of power to run those things, so I'll probably do something different on that. So anyway, that's the project for right now, is to replace these fixtures with the new ones. So let me get to work on that, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's 1 down and at least 2 to go. So works good on both of them. Works good on the single side, so that'll light up either one bulb or either both of them. So that is great. I did find out that the wiring on this is absolutely backwards. On these, you put the red to the black and the black to the red. So didn't make any sense, but that's the way the wiring diagram was on the back. I hooked it up first the way normal people would. Didn't work. So I read the instructions, something men never do, but this time it paid off. Okay, let's get these others done. Okay, there we go. That's the 3rd one. Got it in. Looks like that's about the 3rd light fixture that's been up there. There were 3 different sets of holes. So hopefully these will be the last ones that we have to put in with the LEDs. So I've got the one in the hallway done. The one over the sink. That one is done. So it's working fine. That one's good. And the one over the couch. So that one seems to be working great as well. And tonight, when it's nice and dark, come in here and turn everything on and see how it looks with that. So I have now, with the exception of a few of these fixtures right here, replaced all the light fixtures with LEDs. And I have, how many of these do I have left? I've got 2 of them left, 2 sets of lights left. And this might just be a good thing. Probably be way more light than I need, but just replace those ugly things with those LEDs. Just put them right there on the wall, wire them in, and those will be good reading lights. Excellent reading lights, way more bright than I need. I've got this one up here that's got LEDs in it, and it's just good lighting without being overly bright, because I've got some less powerful bulbs in it. So I think I'm going to do that, because these have got a weird bulb in it anyway, and I haven't been able to find the bulbs for these little candle type fixtures. So let's just do that. Let's just replace these two with the two remaining ones I've got. Back in a bit. Well, I replaced those fixtures with the new LED fixtures. I think it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. There is a drawback. These are a lot brighter than the other ones, so I'm probably going to have to put some type of a diffusing element inside the lens so that it won't be quite so bright. But other than that, it does fine. Got the LED bulbs and the one in the top, so that's good. And while I was out here, I went ahead and repaired that light fixture. Took the old ones that were in the back, and I repaired this one until I can figure out something else to do with it. Just to give you a comparison, this one has two of the LED bulb, I mean not LED, but the incandescent bulbs like you see on the right hand side there. Just your standard looking, you know, tail light bulb. I turned on those and looked at the amp meter up front. They are drawing about 3 1/4, maybe a little bit more amps when they're turned on. 3 1/4 amps. Now, that is in comparison to this LED light, which puts out a lot more light and draws less than 1/2 amp for both of them. So not too bad. So at the most about 1/2 amp for the two of them, both of them on. So that is a huge energy savings when you are not hooked up to shore power or a generator. All right, it looks like I've just about finished up this project. Hope you enjoyed it. I've got a few other little things to do, but I am just about running out of projects. So I guess the next project is start using this thing. Talk to you later. If you like it, subscribe. Please comment if you have any suggestions, and we'll see you later.